So we're back with it. Day 2 of doing the music on the Civic. I'm gonna be doing the door speakers today. So I'm gonna install the PRV 6.5 inch speakers on the front doors and the rear deck. So and I'm gonna wire that to the voice amp, the 4-channel amp that I got for that setup. I'm just gonna run that for now because I'm waiting on the splitters to distribute the power on all 3 amps, and I gotta run RCAs as well. So I ordered all that because I forgot to order. So I ordered all that, but I'm gonna be running at least the door speakers and the deck speakers. So I have some music. It's gonna sound weird with no bass or whatever. I don't even have subs yet, so I haven't ordered that. But yeah, I'm gonna get that installed. All right, so this is part 2 of doing the amp install and the speakers and all that. So I have the speaker wire ran. I'm gonna run them straight to the amp. So we already fished them through the grommet. Don't worry, don't mind the glove. It's pointless at this point, but whatever. So ran that. Gonna fish that all the way to the back of the car. Obviously, I'm just gonna do the connectors onto the speaker. So check back in once I get this side installed and all that. So there we go. We got the speaker mounted, a little bit crooked because I wanted to use the mounted the top bolt that holds the bracket, because what I did, I just broke the speaker bracket that originally holds it and put it in there. But yeah, there we go. Got the wire, and I'm gonna just toss this one to the back and we should be good to go for this side. I'm gonna repeat it on the same other side, and then we'll go to the back of the amps. So with the rear and the front, same thing on both. The speaker covers or grills have like this plastic surrounding that goes around the stock speaker, I guess probably for like to make the sound go through that hole. With the new speakers, mine are 6.5. This hits on the new speaker, so what I had to do in the front is trim that down basically to make that flat with this grill, and same thing on the rear. So I'll show you guys how it looks after I cut it. It's not gonna be the cleanest cut because I don't have a blade like yesterday, but I'll show you exactly how it looks. So this is after I cut that whatever piece that's called down. Obviously you can make those cuts way better, but I used like a garden hose, garden whatever cutter that's called. So I got that pretty flat basically. Obviously none of this is gonna touch the speaker, so I'm fine with it. There we go, got the speaker in. So see, with this being flush now that I trimmed out, this fits like normal. And this is the one that I'm gonna put I think an 8-inch voice speaker to go with the speaker box. So this is basically the final setup. It's a hot wire mess. I haven't organized the wires, I just connected everything. So I have the speaker box connected to this amp. This is for the subs, and then that's the 4-channel amp for the door speakers. And I have all the power distributors and then the Y splitters for those 2 amps. And I borrowed these subs, the Kinker Comp Rs, from my cousin temporarily. I just gotta diagnose quickly, well not now probably, but when the bass starts hitting hard with the amp, it goes into protection mode. So I think the voltage is very low, or something along those lines. I don't know. This car has a very small battery, and I don't have any extra batteries or upgraded alternator or anything like that. But yeah, that's pretty much the setup for now. Like I said, I just gotta organize all these wires and stuff because it's a mess.